What's up, guys? I am Spencer Cartier from the Croak and Crow podcast. But if you pay attention to our podcast, if you pay attention to our Instagram, we're not just a podcast. We got ourselves a van. This bad boy right here. Come on, let me show it to you. It's a 2006 Dodge Sprinter. 2 zillion miles on it. But we're going to convert it, okay? And that's going to be the new thing we're doing on this channel. Not just podcasting about religion, but building a van. Why not? Let's look at the back of it. Man, oh man, this thing is messed up. But that's okay. That is okay. Because you know why? It's got some good bones on it, okay? That's all you need. Got some good shocks. It's got a couch. We're gonna get rid of that. But yeah, so we're gonna convert it. I think today we're just going to probably just clean it out, take that stupid couch out, take the walls out, take the floor out. And that should be enough. So I'm gonna get to that. You guys can stick around and watch. And then I'll catch you up. I will catch up with you at the end of that. Alright guys, as much as you love watching time lapse, we managed to get all the walls and the couch out. And now it's just about ticking away at this floor. Trying to get this floor all nice and clean. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to get it done, just like I get everything done. And I'll talk to you when hopefully this is all cleared out. And yeah, then we got a van stripped down, ready to get working. All right, so we're gonna skip forward in time right now. What's up, guys? It's day 2 of the van build. I know I told you that I would get everything done, but I didn't. I lied to every single one of you. And so I waited for the colder day to work because I'm a genius who said, let me do a van build in the middle of winter. But no, really, last night it started raining, so it has sort of a leak up top that we need to fix next thing. But for now, we just tarped it up. Some water still got through, but the plan is to still just get that rust out today. We'll see if we can do it. Went and bought a nice little drill bit, just a metal grind sander. Hopefully that'll get the job done easier, but hopefully today the floors are done. But I'm full of empty promises, so I guess we'll see. Alright fellas, it is day 3 of the van build. I thought I would be done episode 1 by now, but them's the breaks, as the kids say. So, the floor is done being sanded. I know what you're thinking. Spencer, the floor looks awful. How are you going to say the floors are finished? But that's all we were looking for. We were just looking to get that rust off, and then we'll put the rubberized coating down. But first, I need to deal with the ceiling, because what's the point of fixing the floor if we got this rust going on here? So that's today's plan. Today's plan is to grind down that rust, fix the ceiling, and episode 1 is just going to keep on going until that floor is fully done. So could be a week, it could be a year, but eventually we'll get it done. All right, let's get to it. What's up, guys? This clip right here is a prime example of why I am a podcaster first and a videographer second, because I was smart enough to not press record on the audio. So here's me just talking. I'll give you a rundown. I'm just saying how great I am, how the roof is perfect, the floor is perfect. I give a nice analysis of how we waterproofed it, and then I show the scientific approach to prove that no water will in fact enter the van here.
Now up a little bit, not that high, down, yeah, there you go.
Yeah, baby, no water coming in there. So now I just sort of talk about the next step. We're going to paint the base of the van with a truck lining coating that will cover all the exposed metal. It'll make that baby solid as a rock, and we can get to working on the fun stuff. So that's that. I wish I could tell you that I improved the audio in the next clip, but don't you worry. I will be back on the microphone explaining the audioless clip. But you know what they say. It is what it is. And I am back. Hope you didn't miss me too much. This clip's far less important. I'm just congratulating myself on the job well done I did on that paint job. So all there's left to do really is take the tape off and show you all the finished product. So why don't we just skip through the rest of this clip and see that now. Beautiful day, innit? Hey guys, it's day 5, I think. Day 6, day 5. Do we know how to do video? Do we know how to do audio? No, it's been all jacked up, but it's only episode 1. And we can only get better from here. And that's why we started off with the easy stuff. We finished the floor. The floor is rust no more. And I'm feeling good about it. I'm about to take a trip to Florida, but I'm leaving with it ready to go. So then now we can actually start getting into the fun stuff like insulation and electrical. But you know what it is. It's the Croak and Crow van build. It's not your rando van build. This is their life. This is just a part of what we're doing, okay? Check out my podcast if you want actual real quality, but check out this van build, follow it, follow the process. If what you're looking for is just some guy who doesn't know what he's doing, who doesn't even never really had a passion about vans, but now he's getting this passion, he's learning a thing or two. So that's it. The floor is done. You can walk on it, you can build on it. You know what this van is? You know what I see when I see this van? I see potential. I see potential for something great. And I see potential in every one of you. I see potential in each and every one of you who watch this video. So go out and take that potential and clean the floors of your potential and build your potential. I'm preaching to somebody. I'm preaching to somebody. But yeah, that's episode 1. It was meant to be a day 1 video, but now it's an episode 1 video. And I'm excited for episode 2 and 3, and hopefully not like 100, because I don't want this van to take forever, but it is what it is, as the kids say. But that's me. Check out Croak and Crow. Follow our podcast, follow our Instagram, follow I think that's all we have. And it's been real. See ya.